I've been moving calm, I'm still no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me.
Wala. Hindi ko siya pinapansin dati kasi super tahimik niya. Eh, lagi ata niyang ginagawa ng issue yung physique ko. Charot. Kaya kami nagkain laban. Charot.
Hindi, lagi lang talaga yung issue yung PC. Tapos ako, sinusupport ko lang siya. Siguro ano lang, tanda na lang na ako yung nakakatapat na makasagot ng course.
I hold back, sometimes I won't. I feel good, sometimes I don't. I finesse down Western Road. Might go down to G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that no side E.
Life with Bien would be bright. Parang siya yung magbibigay buhay sa madilim kong mundo dyan. Kasi ako, tahimik lang talaga akong tao. Nung nakilala ko si Bien, humingay na ako. Na-stress ako.
81, they'll bring the crashes to the party.
Message daw, oo. Hindi mo
O2 into the O3 door.
Jack, padami ka ng lahi, ha? Para dumami tayo. Sayang yung kagwapuhan natin.
I can't do this on my own. Someone watching this so close. I've been missing Scarlet Road. My good damn is G.O.D. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that no side.
Napansin siguro nila tito at tita na pag nakakauwi ako, late na ako nakakarating sa bahay. So, pinatulog na nila ako sa kanila. Pero, bawal kami magtabi.
Magiging Bulakenyo na po si Paolo. Hindi na siya Marikenyo. Charot.
Bad thing. It's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing they wishing on me.
From workmates, to good friends, to lovers, and now, my husband. Yeah. To be honest, I wasn't looking for anything at all when I met you. But I guess things just happened. I found you. I found myself slowly wanting to spend time with you. It was simple, it was easy, and I think that's how the best relationships begin.
Kinakailangan ang pag-ibig ay napakalaki. Ay ang pagmamahal ay napakadakila. Para masabi mo na mahal niyo ang isa't isa at magtagal ang inyong pagsasama. Hindi. Sa halip, ang kinakailangan lamang, Vivian at Juan Paulo, ang pagmamahal, hindi man napakalaki, hindi man napakadakila, kinakailangan ng pagmamahal ay totoo o tunay. Mga kapatid, sina Juan Paulo at Vivian ay kasal na, mag-asawa na sa mata ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan.
Mommy, char, ni na tita. Thank you. Alam na yan. Especially nung nagka-COVID kami, sila yung pinakaunang nag-offer sa amin ng help. Na pag-stay kami sa bahay nila, kahit na alam nila na may mga symptoms kami. Super na-appreciate ko yun. Kasi sabi nga nila, madaling makahanap ng partner. Mahirap makahanap ng family na mamahalin ka din. And hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust. Kasi unang kita ko pala sa kanila, ramdam ko na yung love nila sa akin. Kaya sobrang swerte ko. Hindi lang kay Paolo, kundi sa buong family niya.
Si Bien kasi, siya yung tao na kapareho ko mag-isip. Like, natatapos namin yung sentences ng bawat isa. Na, ayun, kala ko sa movie lang nangyayari. And siya lang din nakagets sa akin at siya yung nagtiyaga na magstay. Parang siya na talaga yung gusto ko makasama.
Day that I met you, I was never gonna let you slip away.
For Ate Dani.
And I still remember feeling nervous.
And falling in love with you happened so smoothly, so calm. In you, I found a best friend, my safe space, whom I can talk about everything under the sun, without judgment and without pretensions.
With you, I have found my home, my best friend, and my truest love. And I am excited about our future together, and I eagerly anticipate the years to come.
I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one.
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, lalo na sa panahon hindi ako kamahal-mahal. Ben, you've showed me ways I never thought I could ever be loved. And I hope I made you feel the same.
It's easy to be scared of. With you I am prepared for what is yet to come.
Kayong-kayo na ngayon. Kanya kailangan kung ano man yung mangyari, magpasensya isa pagka huwag pagsasalubungin ng galit
Okay.
para matagal ang pagsasama.
You make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong. 'Cause I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the
For Tito and Tita or Nanay and Tatay, maraming salamat po dahil tinanggap niyo po ako sa pamilya niyo and parang kayo na rin po yung nagsilbing mga magulang ko na punta po ako ng Bulacan. At ipapromise ko po na aalagaan ko po ang anak niyo forever.
You make my heart feel like it's summer. When the rain is pouring down, you make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong.
You are my everything, and I am endlessly thankful to have you in my life. I love you more than words can express, and I am committed to making every day with you as special as the first day we met.
You make my whole world feel so right when it's wrong.
Kahit ano man ang maranasan natin, maganda, mahirap, masakit, hindi man palaging masagana at masaya, pero ang mahalaga, kontento at hinahanap natin ang magkasama. As long as I live, you will never be alone. I promise. I love you so much, baby.
That's how I know